Not all arguments are created equal. I'm Ali, an Australian champion, and I'll help you decide what to fight for and what to leave behind to maximize your chances of winning. Bring this strategy to your next tournament. When you're thinking about what arguments you should prioritize in your latest speeches, I think you should be thinking about two things. Firstly, about the impacting and weighing of your arguments, and secondly, the amount of time it will take you to prove them. So firstly, on the impacting. You might have heard this before when people have talked about weighing, but it's really important to consider exactly what impact you think your arguments are going to have. So some things to think about: how many people are impacted by the harm or benefit that you seek to prove? How large is that harm or benefit? And also, are there particular stakeholders that we might really care about who are impacted? Does this affect people who have been historically marginalized? And is that a reason why we should care about or prioritize something more? Once you think about the total impact of all your arguments, you probably can figure out that the arguments with the biggest impact should be the ones that you prioritize first. If you have to choose between two arguments, it should be the one that's going to get you the most ground in the debate. The other thing, of course, though, you should think about is the amount of time it will take you to prove. If the other team has poked a massive flaw in your argument and you're struggling to think about how you would explain in a minute or 2 minutes why it's right, it's probably worth prioritizing an easier win first, and then you can try and go for the harder win later.